Keep it steady, watch the edge.
Almost there, just a little more to the left.
Looks aligned now, clamp it down.
Clear the platform. Lift slowly now.
Confirmed. Watch the alignment on the right.
We are aligned. Laser confirms 0.0 deviation.
Calipers show it's within tolerance. Secure the lock.
We need to verify the lacquer finish before signing off.
Agreed. The reflection seems inconsistent near the coupling.
The finish on this section is flawless, exactly to specification.
Indeed, the emerald coat looks incredible under the lights.